The sponsor of a 5K run walk for charity wishes to create a stamp of its billboard to commemorate the event. If the sponsor uses a scale where 1 inch represents 4 feet and the billboard is a rectangle with a width of 4 feet and a length of 48 feet, what will be the shape and size of the stamp? If we change the dimensions using a scale factor, it's not going to change the shape. Meaning if it started out as a rectangle, it needs to end as a rectangle. And now we need to find the dimensions. We had 4 and 1. If we are going from feet is our old, and we want inches to be our new, we're going to take 1 and divide by 4. So our scale factor is 1/4. We need to take our dimensions of 14 and 48 and multiply by 1/4. 14 times 1 is 14 over 4. You can change that to a mixed number if you would like, or you can leave it as 14 over 4. Then we also want to do this one times 1/4. 48 goes times 1 is 48, and 4 goes into 48 12 times. So the dimensions of our stamp are 3.5 inches by 12 inches. For number 7, Danielle is creating a scale drawing of her room. The rectangular room measures 20.5 feet by 25 feet. If her drawing uses the scale where 1 inch represents 2 feet of the actual room, will her drawing fit on an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of paper? So 1 inch represents 2 feet. That means that our scale factor, the new divided by original, is 1/2. So we have 20.5 times 1/2 and 25 times 1/2. For 20.5, we're going to convert to an improper fraction. 20 times 2 is 40, plus 1 more makes 41. 41 times 1 is 41. 2 times 2 is 4. In this one, we need to know if it's close to 8.5, so we do have to change it to an improper, or from an improper to a mixed number. 4 goes into 41 10 times, with 1 left over. And over here we have 25 divided by 2. 2 fits into 24, which is 12 times, with 1 left over. Is a 10.25 and a 12.5 inch drawing going to fit on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper? Please answer that part on your own. Will it fit on there? Is there enough room to fit on an 8.5 by 11? Try and answer in a complete sentence and finish up that homework assignment.